One of the handy features in Brick's Navigator plugin are single-key keyboard shortcuts. This makes it extremely quick to add elements in the Bricks Builder editor by typing, for example, S for adding a section. Let's enable this feature in the plugin settings first. Back in the editor, reload the page and click anywhere on the canvas or on one of the sidebars. I am going to now type S to add a section. This automatically focuses the container inside. Next, I am going to type I to add an image, then H to add a heading, then T to add a text element, and finally L to add a link. Let's wrap the heading, text, and link elements in a block. I am going to click on the first of these, hold down Shift, and click on the last to select them all. Now I will press the W key to wrap all these in a block. Other shortcuts are D to add a div and R to add a rich text. The final keyboard shortcut feature is Alt-H to switch to the hover state on and off. For example, I will select this basic text element, go to Typography, and set its color to primary. Normally, to switch the active state from normal to hover, we would have to first click on Selector's icon and then on Hover. With Brick's Navigator, simply press Alt-H and you are now ready to apply your hover state styling. Press Alt-H again to toggle the hover state off. Brick's Navigator is a free plugin and can be downloaded from WordPress plugins repository or directly from your site's dashboard.